very special occasion. I'm coming to you now, Ananya. I mean, this is, of course, very exciting. In an ideal world, we would have loved a massive audience. But if you were to pick a sport that you enjoy the most, you know, maybe at the Olympics, what discipline would that be? What do you enjoy the most?
I love watching tennis, actually. I absolutely love watching tennis. I love cricket. I love football. I just love all sorts of sports, actually. I think the amount that I've learned from sport while growing up, whether that's teamwork, you know, it's really helped me. So the fact that I was able to write this song with A.R. Sir for our country, it's a huge honor for me. I think it's a huge milestone in my career. And the fact that A.R. Sir just even agreed to work with me and guide me, it's honestly, I can't even express how much it means to me. And of course, the Government of India, the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, the IOA, everyone's been so supportive. So it's an absolute honor. And I hope that our song can help cheer our lovely athletes a little bit.
It will. It certainly will when they'll hear it. And when almost more than 1 billion Indians continue singing from wherever they're watching, tuned into the Olympics, it is going to send and resonate just the vibes that our athletes would need at the biggest stage of them all. But at this point, I take this opportunity to invite the Indian Olympic Association President, Dr. Narendra Dhruv Batra ji, to say a few words.
Honorable Sports Minister Shri Anurag Thakur ji, Honorable Minister of State for Sports Shri Nishit Parmanik ji, Secretary Sports Mr. Ravi Mittal, Rajiv Mehta, Secretary General IOA, Director General Sports Authority of India Mr. Sandeep Pradhan, Mr. B.P. Baishya, Shefti Mission, Dr. Prem Verma, Deputy Shefti Mission, distinguished guests, media friends, IOA athletes, IOA officials, and sports family of India, a very good evening to all of you. Today, with less than 10 days to go for Tokyo, we are here to launch the official Team India cheer song for Tokyo Olympic Games, which is scheduled to be held from 23rd July to 8th of August 2021. And for this, my special thanks go to Mr. A.R. Rahman and Ananya ji for giving us this wonderful song. As we move towards the final stages of our contingent's preparations for the games, I am happy to see the coming together of all our combined efforts to overcome the hurdles we have faced in last 18 months. With less than 10 days to go, I would like to extend my congratulations and good wishes to all our athletes. The entire country is proud of you, and I am confident that you will put your best foot forward and keep the Indian flag flying high in Tokyo as well. Our athletes are training vigorously despite stringent COVID-19 protocols to ensure they remain at the best for the games. The final preparations are in full swing, and we have a contingent of 228 athletes and officials going to Tokyo, and the first batch goes on 17th of July. I would also like to take this opportunity to especially thank our Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Anurag Thakur ji, for his guidance and incredible support to all our athletes that will be taking part in the Olympics. With the launch of the official cheer song for the Indian contingent, I want all our athletes to know that they have full support of India. It is the resonation of 1.4 billion prayers behind you, and I strongly believe that you will give your best and bring glory to the nation. Wishing the Indian contingent good luck and keep the Indian flag flying. Please stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot to all the athletes. Like you mentioned, the last 18 months, that hasn't been what an athlete would ideally want to prepare, but against the odds is something that Indian athletes have always managed to bring home the laurels, and we're quite sure that it will be our best ever medal haul yet. Let me now invite Honorable Minister of State for Home and Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Nishit Parmanik, to say a few words.
नमस्कार, माननीय मंत्री महोदय को, अनुराग ठाकुर जी को मेरा प्रणाम और इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े सभी व्यक्तियों को मैं मेरा आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi initiated the hashtag Cheer for India campaign for our Olympic want athletes and appealed to the whole country to join in. The country responded warmly and wholeheartedly coming forward to cheer our athletes. I would once again like to ask my fellow citizens to keep supporting our athletes with hashtag Cheer for India. I am sure India will rise as a great sporting country and our athletes will make us proud in Tokyo. I would like to thank the music maestro A.R. Rahman and youth icon Ananya Vela on extending their support to hashtag Cheer for India and creating this inspiring cheering song Hindustani way. Hashtag Cheer for India. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, sir. It is a hashtag which will connect with not just, we usually talk about hashtags, we say it's about the younger lot, but when it's the Olympics, it brings almost everyone together. And this hashtag will make sure that our support for all the athletes reaches them whenever they are on any platform when they need a little bit of inspiration and support. And thank you so much for just reiterating that. We're moments away from hearing it. We've been talking about the song. We've been talking about the official anthem. So almost with some drum roll we're building up at the moment, and we will make it a moment to remember. It is an absolute honor and privilege to now invite Honorable Union Minister for Information Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Anurag Thakurji, someone who over the years, everybody who's been in and around the cricket field or around athletes is seen working every single minute to make sure everything that needs to be sorted out is there, and we hope that during his many more laurels for the Indian sporting fraternity. Sir, if you could please say a few words on this special occasion and also launch the official Team India cheer song for Tokyo 2020.
Thanks, Jatin. Good to see you. Minister of State for Youth Affairs, Sports and Home, Shri Nishit Pramanik ji. IUA President Shri Narendra Batra ji, Secretary Sport Shri Ravi Mittal ji, DG Sai Sandeep Pradhan ji, Secretary General IUA Rajiv Mehta ji, and special not only for us, for the every Indian, Mr. A.R. Rahman, Ananya Birla ji, officials and representatives of Indian Olympic Associations and Department of Sports. A very good evening to all of you. And let me first thank and congratulate Ananya and A.R. Rahman for taking the initiative. We make songs, we entertain, we make name for ourselves. But this is the moment when you're doing something for the passion. The passion with so much of compassion and, coming all the way during the COVID-19 pandemic. It wasn't easy even to collaborate. It was not that easy to collaborate. Why I'm saying so is because we were in different bubbles. We were in different zones and different time zones as well. So I think it might be very difficult for Mr. Rahman and Ananya to come together and create something which could cheer the Indians and can entertain the Indians. You have taken all the interest, initiative and come out with a beautiful song, a cheer song for Team India. And I'm glad that we are going to launch it today, not only to listen, but also to enjoy, also to share, and also to cheer for India. And I want every Indian to listen to this song, share it as much as you can, and let us all together come together and cheer for India. मैं एक बार फिर A.R. रहमान जी का, अनन्या जी का आभार प्रकट करना चाहता हूं कि आपने अपना कीमती समय निकालकर अच्छा गाना भी बनाया, हिंदुस्तानी भी, देश को, भारत के ओलंपियंस को समर्पित भी किया है। और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है हम सब लोग इसको सुनेंगे भी, एंजॉय भी करेंगे और शेयर भी करेंगे चीयर फॉर इंडिया, क्योंकि अगर देश के प्रधानमंत्री चीयर फॉर इंडिया कैंपेन लॉन्च करते हैं, अपने कीमती समय में से एक बार नहीं कई बार खिलाड़ियों से बात करते हैं। देश के प्रधानमंत्री अगर खेलों को प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए कई साल पहले टारगेट ओलंपिक पोडियम स्कीम का निर्माण करते हैं, उसको लाते हैं और खिलाड़ियों को हर सुविधा देने का प्रयास करते हैं, आपका ये गाना ना केवल मनोरंजन देगा बल्कि मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है हमारे खिलाड़ियों का उत्साह भी बढ़ाएगा, और खिलाड़ियों का उत्साह बढ़ाएगा, मनोबल बढ़ाएगा, वहीं पर हम सबको मौका देगा चीयर फॉर इंडिया करने के लिए। So let us all come together and cheer for India. Thank you once again, Mr. Rahman and Ananya, for contributing. Your efforts are, we all appreciate what you have done, and my best wishes to both of you. Look forward for more such compositions, more songs, more music from your side. Keep doing well. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सर अनन्या फैंटास्टिक। मैं फॉर्मेलिटी ड्रॉप करके सीधा बोलता हूँ, जो अंदर से आवाज आएगी ना सुन के भाई मजा आ गया।
We have a Council of Ministers meeting, so I have to leave. Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you so much for joining us here. But we still have the others, and I just wanted to quickly ask you, Rahman sir, मतलब एक तो लिरिक्स है, जीत की बाजी खेलेंगे और दिल को भी जीत के आएंगे, हर पल हर दिल, ये गाए द हिंदुस्तानी में। मैं इसमें अपने म्यूजिकल नोट्स नहीं डाल रहा, I don't want to अच्छा माहौल बनाया, but I'm just going to ask, there is that feel, right? When obviously you would have been working on the song, the composition, there is a slight focus on the new India, right? The brave India. There is this modern element to it. क्या ये भी एक बहुत important aspect था, which resonates with हमारे athletes कैसे हैं और हमारा नए इंडिया का अंदाज कैसा है?
Yeah, I think when you're going to something like Olympics, it's an international event.